Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated blank post with ratio 1:1 on Lottie Files. So let's get started. First, as you can see, now we're on our home page. When you open the app, it automatically sends you here. So in the first section, we have create with animated templates, and the second option is create animated post. So we're gonna go to create animated post section, and we're just gonna slide a little bit to the right. As you can see, you have two options to start blank. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start blank with the ratio that's 1:1. That's the little square. Now when we click on it, it takes us here. So you have a blank post, and now you have to start editing it. Here we have options like canvas, animations, text, background, and full screen. I'm gonna walk you through all of them. First, we're gonna click on canvas. So you see all the canvases here. So you have the options: TikTok video, Instagram story, Instagram post, Twitter post, Facebook post, LinkedIn post, start blank 1:1, and start blank 16:9. So as you can see, we previously clicked on the canvas that we want to create our post in, so that has been previously selected. If you want to change it, you can change it there just by clicking on the canvas and clicking on whatever post you would like to make. The second option we have is animations. So here we have the emoji animations, or as you can see, the easier ones, the lower quality ones. But that's not all. Those are not the only animations. If you see down here, you also have other animations that are like suggested to you from this app. If you don't like any of these animations, you can always click on the plus in the bottom left corner. So as you can see, here will pop up all the free animations that you have from the app. So you can slide down, pick some from here, or you can go ahead in the search bar and search some animation that you like that would be relevant to you and your post, etc. So now we're going to click on the X. Next we have text. So here you can type something. For example, hi, bye, etc. So you can set the font color to the text. You can set it to bold or not bold, and you can align it in the center, right, or left. If you don't like it, how it looks on your post, or something is not aesthetically good for your eye, you can always click on delete, even after you've applied it to your post. The fourth option we have is background. As you can see, now we don't have a background. It's a black background, so we're going to start from there. I'm going to click on background, and here, as you can see, you have multiple options. You can set a solid color as your background. You can take a photo or a video in real time from your camera to set that as a background, or you can upload a photo and video from your gallery. So in today's video, we're going to upload it from our photo gallery. So we're going to click here. It's going to take us to our gallery, and here we're going to select photo that we like, for example, this one from the mountains. So if the photo is bigger in width or in height than this ratio here, you can always tap on it with your two fingers, and you can drag it left or right if it's in width, and you can drag it up and down if it's in height to set it to your liking. So now we've added the background. So let's start with the animations. First, I'm going to show you the sticker animations. So for example, you want to add this turtle, for example. As you can see, I've clicked on the turtle, and now it's on our post in the center. So if you click on the animation, you can change the size by dragging this circle in the sidebar down. You drag it down to minimize it, and up, we drag it up to maximize it. So you can drag it along as you like till you find the size of your choice. So for example, let's leave it to this size. You can increase the speed of the animation. So you can click, now it's set to default speed. So the default speed is 1. If you click on it, you will increase it to 2. As you can see, now the animation is going faster. If you want it to go even more faster, it can. It can go up to 4. That's right after 2. As you can see, now it's going super fast. So because there's nothing after 4, if you click on it again, it's going to take you to the slowest speed available on this app for this animation. That's 0.2. You have a speed that's 0.5, and so it's more fast than 0.2, but it's still less fast than 1, than the default speed that we have. So we're gonna go ahead and click on it again so we can go on the default speed, that's 1. So that's how you adjust the speed on your animation. You can also set it whether you want it to be in a loop or not. It would be more convenient to show you this in a video, but if I click on loop and now it's set to no loop, as you can see, when the animation finishes, it stops. And if it was a video, throughout the whole video, the video would continue going on and the animation would stay still after it finishes the first time. If you want your animation to go out through the whole video or post, you have to click on it and set it to loop, so it plays out through the whole video. What else you can do? So you have color palette and groups colors. So if you click on groups colors, you can change the color of everything manually. So you can change the color of the eye and the mouth, the color of the body, the color of this thing up here. You can all change it manually. If you don't want to change it manually, you want to change it faster, we're gonna go back. We're gonna click to color palette. So here it has the color palette, so it changes the colors for you. You don't have to select and adjust the animation for like more time. Instead, you can just click on the color palette. As you can see, it changes the colors. You have multiple color palettes here. As you can see, you can slide down. You can also click on the plus here and you can create a palette. So we're gonna go to select. Let's create a color palette. So first, the first color. Let's set it to green. As you can see, it changed to green. So here, if you drag down here, it's gonna change colors. But if you drag up here, it's gonna change the tone of the color. So for example, let's say we want this here to be a darker green. So you're gonna go on the second color of the color palette and let's set it to light lime green. Let's go to the third color and set it like to, let's see here, let's set it to dark. Again, now you can set it to this color or set it to this color. So you can go ahead and save the palette. So this is the palette that we've created on our own. And you're gonna click on apply, or you can also choose already done palettes that you have. So now, as we have adjusted the emoji, the speed, the looped, we explained the group colors and the color palettes, we can move on. We're gonna click wherever on the post. And now to move the animation, so to move it wherever you like, you just tap on it with your finger and you drag it along the screen. So let's drag it along to here. It's kind of big, so let's click on it and minimize the size. Okay, let's drag it again so it could be goodly placed in the corner. So we're done with our first animation. So let's go ahead and move along to our second. So you can pick an animation from here, from down here, if you like something, or you can go on the plus sign to see all the free animations and add something from there. Also, that would be convenient for you. So for example, let's search for something like, I don't know, something that's gonna be convenient for us. I think I saw something at the top. For example, these, let's add this animation. So as you can see, now it's placed in the center. So this animation is maximized up to this size. You can also edit this animation's color palette, grouped colors, loop, and increase or decrease the speed. So for example, to show you, if you click on no loop, as you can see, now it's stopped. But the turtle animation is still moving, but this animation stopped. It played out once and it stopped. So we're gonna go ahead and click on loop again. So it continues. Let's see if there's a color palette, or we can set it to the color palette that we've created before. Gonna apply. And now we're gonna click anywhere on the screen. You can move it by tapping on it with your finger and dragging it, for example, up here. You can view it on your full screen by clicking this full screen option at the end, so you can see how it will look like without the distractions down and up and anywhere. So let's minimize it, and when you're ready, you're gonna click on share, and you're gonna click on save to device when you're done with all your editing, etc. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!